Alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIUVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a passage narration for the students of class 8. Let's see our today's topic. It is passage narration. This is our lecture number 19 and homework number 11 on our half yearly 2021 syllabus. Dear students, so let's start our class directly with the passage narration. So whenever my suggestion is to you, so whenever you will do or you will start writing your passage narration, you will read the whole passage so that you can understand who is the speaker here and who is the listener. So look at the passage. Ruma, quotation mark, have you done your English lesson today? Asked the teacher. Yes sir, I have, but I have not understood some grammatical points, replied Ruma. Where is the problem? Said the teacher. Let us try again. So here, after reading the passage, we have understood there is a conversation, or here is a conversation between the teacher and a student named Ruma. So look at the first one here at first. Ruma, have you done your English lesson today? Asked the teacher. Here, this sentence has two parts. Okay, one is, in my previous class I told you, today also I am telling you, one is reporting verb, another one is reported speech. So look here, ask the teacher, this one is reporting verb, and Ruma, have you done your English lesson today? This sentences in the quotation mark is called reporting speech or reported verb here. So look here, there at first ask the teacher reporting verb, then here reported speech. So look, that means the teacher is asking Ruma. So I am writing the answer, follow me. The teacher asked Ruma. The teacher asks Ruma, then have you done your English lesson today? So look at this interrogative sentence. Whenever the interrogative sentence will be made or will be prepared like this way, like any other, without the WS questions, here we will take the help of if or whether. If the teacher asks Ruma, if, then she, look at the sentence, have you done your English lesson today? It was in, or it is in present perfect tense. That means we here write in past perfect. If she had done her English lesson today. So in the place of today, it will be that day. It will be that day. Look here. So first sentence is done. Ruma, have you done your English lesson today? Asked the teacher. The teacher asked Ruma if she had done her English lesson that day. Now next. Yes sir, I have. Write Ruma. Okay, wait, one thing. Ruma respectfully replied. Yes sir, that means we will write replied in the affirmative. Ruma respectfully replied in the affirmative that it is written I have. We will write here that she had done. Next, but I have not understood some grammatical points. So look, but she added that I have not, it will be she hadn't understood past participle of understood some grammatical points. Some grammatical points or rules. Okay. But she added that she had not understood some grammatical points. Next, let Ruma, where is the problem? Said the teacher. The teacher asked again. The teacher asked her where. So look here the question has been formed as an interrogative sentence with WS question, W. Here the have verb, here the WS. So take the help of here, there will be no change of WS question. The teacher asked her where so written it is, that means present simple tense. We will write here past indefinite. Where the problem was. That means present simple tense has been changed into past indefinite. Full stop. Let us try again. Look at the last imperative sentence. Let us try again. Whenever in a sentence will be started like let, okay, we should take the it is an example of imperative sentence. Then we will write like this. The teacher, we can write here proposed or suggest, okay. The teacher proposed or suggest, okay, anyone you can write that. So look here, let us, that they, whenever the sentence will be formed like this, let us, here you will write should, they should try again. Okay, up to this. So I am going to the passage again, then the answer. Ruma, have you done your English lesson today? Asked the teacher. The teacher asked Ruma if she had done her English lesson today, or in the place of today, I have written here that day according to the passage narration rules. Next, yes sir, I have. Ruma respectfully replied. So look at the word yes sir, addressing him as sir, or we can write Ruma respectfully replied in the affirmative that she had. So in the place of I have, okay, I have written here she had according to the rule. Next, but I have not understood some grammatical points. Look at the present perfect tense, okay. In the place of present perfect, we will write past perfect. But she had, so look here, but she added that she had not understood some grammatical points. Next, where is the problem? Teacher said, or I said the teacher. The teacher asked her where the problem was. Last sentence, let us try again. Look at the imperative sentence. The teacher proposed or suggested that they should try again. Okay, so up to this, inshallah, they are the students of class 8. I hope that with this class you have a clear idea and crystal idea regarding your passage narration, and this will be your homework also. Dear students, I am writing this will be your homework also. Okay, as your homework you will write it down, CW to SW homework also, and this is your 11th number homework. Okay, so look, this is your 11th number homework, and please write it down properly. If you have any questions, then don't forget to write me in the comment section. This is your 11th number homework also, and same things, CW to homework, CW to SW. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.